So this Jupyter Notebook has very, very good features to write code. It has a clean environment to write code, which you need to understand. And the Jupyter Notebook is in form of cells. So you have tons of cells that are line by line. So these cells are where you write your code. It is those cells that you will import all your libraries into. For instance, if you want to work with Panda, now Panda, which is a data manipulating library, you can just type the word import pandas as anything. It could be as PD. Now, don't worry, we are going to do this practically. I'm trying to introduce this practical class. You need to know how to set up your environment first. So once you are able to set up the environment, I will show you in practical form how this is done. So once you are able to launch into that Jupyter Notebook, then you will import your libraries that you want to use. So once you are able to import those libraries, then the beauty of this Jupyter Notebook is that it has an interactive environment where once you are done with a particular cell, just hit Shift Enter, and that runs your code. Get the output, it displays the output right inside the notebook. And another beauty of this notebook is that you can equally share your notebook with your friends or with other community. It has that facility to share code. Also, you can also convert your code to different formats. That's why people love Jupyter Notebook. And the good news is that it comes embedded with Anaconda. So which means that in this class, we are going to download Anaconda. We are going to be using Anaconda instead of the virtual environment. So we don't need to be, typing every time pip install a particular library. Once we have our Anaconda installed on our system and we have been able to run the installer, we have it on our system, and then we might not necessarily install any data science package. All what we need to do is to import the library of our desire. So that is the beauty of using Anaconda as an integrated package.